Welcome everyone. So this is the part 1 of Sri Vithal Nath, and today we are going to paint him using domes watercolor tubes, and I have these watercolor cakes of domes and my palette and some brushes also. If you haven't watched the sketching part of Sri Vithal Nath, it's uploaded in my channel. So let's start by painting the background. Here I am using the blue color mixed with the black. Let's start by background first. I had to work slow and carefully so that the background color doesn't touch with the outline of the painting. I know guys, it is taking a lot of time, but if the background is great, then the painting will automatically become great. So we have to focus on background also, and here I am using again and again another layer of paint and increasing the consistency of water so that the water will flow automatically to each area. Guys, especially if you're using watercolor and this much water, then please go for a higher GSM paper, because if the paper quality is not good, then the paper will create puddle, and even in your painting some part will get teared up automatically. Eventually the painting will become so bad even after putting so much effort. And sorry guys if you are having problem in understanding. I am not used to do voiceover, so in any other tutorial I have basically done one or twice the voiceover, and I'm not used to do voiceover, so I hesitate to talk, but I still talk for you guys to make you understand. And you guys can help me and support me by liking my video, commenting, and even sharing to your friends and anyone who is interested in art and want to recreate. Just by commenting your views, your opinions, and whatever you liked about my painting, any part that you understand or liked. Now I'm gonna use the yellow color mixed with golden, any yellow color basically. So I am using yellow and golden mixed to cover the crown or jewelry area. Guys, there is one thing in watercolor that you have to go step by step, layer by layer, and at the same area you have to work again. So you need a lot of patience to do all of those things, and it takes also a lot of time. Using chrome yellow and vermilion hue and yellow ochre, mixing with water to create the better consistency and smooth. And now creating the details using that yellow ochre. Guys, I am having the question, does any of you have ever went to Pandharpur to see or get the darshan of Sri Vithal Nath? Like how divine he is. Actually, I have never went, so I don't know. But I have the faith and believe in him. So if you have went there, so please comment. vermilion hue mixed with a little black to create the darker consistency. I forget to show you the palette. So I am using the purple color. Any purple color you can use, just mix it with water to make the consistency watery, and then create layer by layer to make it darker. This is actually a part 1, as the video was getting so longer and I thought you won't watch the longer videos and prefer to watch the shorter videos. So I will upload the part 2 in the next video and with full explanation and full process. So if you like the voiceover, then please comment, or if you haven't liked the voiceover, then please also comment, so I will not do voiceover in the next video. And if you're watching till now and you liked my painting process, so please comment